What's going on? This is Markie and welcome to my channel regarding online certification courses. Allow me to break down these courses and what they consist of. This is a channel where you can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should be a priority if you want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. So let's get started. We all can agree that studying and taking a certification exam can be nerve-wracking, but allow me to assist in helping you ease that anxiety by laying out some tips and tricks for passing a certification exam. A lot of certifications aren't designed for you to study one afternoon and then take the test the next morning. I get it, there are a few individuals that can show up on exam day and pass with little or no prep. Certain certification courses are designed with the expectation that the test taker fully understands the content and has extensive practice in that environment. That sort of knowledge and understanding can't be gained alone by reading or self-study. When it comes to interacting directly with the expert and having the benefits of live instructor-led training courses, this eliminates the fear of studying from outdated material. With persistent technology changes, it can be difficult to know if a training resource is current and up to date with their information. In some cases, these instructors are the same individuals who develop the content for certification exams, and also when it comes to live classroom environments, recent tech updates can be addressed as they occur. When it comes to certification bootcamp, these are short, intensive training programs that are designed to prepare individuals for a specific professional certification exam. Certification bootcamp provide focus, hands-on learning in a short time frame. The end goal of quickly acquiring the necessary skills to pass the test and enter a new field or advance in their current role. Free study resources are out there, you just need to know where to find them, such as Simple Studies, in which I will leave a link below in the description. Simple Studies provide study guides for a variety of subjects. They also provide study buddy matching, mentor matching, and many other services. Some of these timeless tactics that we all learned in middle school when taking tests, exams are still current in these times as well. Don't read things too quickly. Try not to let the clock affect your comprehension. Remember, the exam is not a race. There are no bonus points for finishing first. Recheck your work. It may not always be possible to do this on several certifications, but while working your way through the test exam, mark your questions that you're unsure of and revisit them at the end. Know what to bring. Make sure you have whatever credentials you need to get registered in. Be on time and if possible, arrive there so you have enough time to get checked in, settled in, with at least 30 minutes to spare. This goes for online proctors as well. It's okay if you get a few wrong answers along the way, but you still pass. Remember, a pass is a pass, whether it's passing score of 75, 85, or 100, you have passed. Many thanks for taking some time to check my tutorial out. All the links will be in the description below. I also have a website up and running, which is also Markie online certification courses. Please subscribe so you won't miss out on any training certification courses you may want to pick up. Comment below done, and then I will reply back. You can check me out on Facebook under Markie, and there I also have an online certification page where you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out these thumbnails that will be floating around right here. Always remember to get paid your worth. Many thanks. It's Markie, and I'm out.